What are the benefits of prayers we can reap, or what are the benefits of prayers?
First of all, the prayer tells you where to look for assistance. Whenever you pray, then you know that it is Allah who can help you and not the human beings. They can only help you if Allah so desires and so permits. So the prayer constantly turns your mind to God. And when it is accepted, I have already spoken of this, then you receive a new spiritual life. Right? He also translates very well in Bangladesh. You know?
Zafar.
You do. I'm sorry.
Zafar did.
Huh?
He did.
He did it.
On one occasion.
I was very impressed.
Yeah, it was good.